Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing another unboxing video of Vance Internal. Yeah, I'm butchering the name, but yeah. This is Takara Tomy inbox. There's the back. Basically, endurance type, I think it was. I can't remember. But yeah, I will be putting the stickers on camera, so yeah. And this does come with a rope. This is a starter. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, god damn. There we go. Okay. Ooh, geez. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Of course, right here, I need to get this. There's the launcher. Stickers. Right here. The Beyblade itself. The winder is right here. Probably gonna be using this guy for whenever I make Tyson's HMS launcher. So yeah, boom. Okay, let's get this. The winder done. Yeah, it's a lot easier to stretch these guys out. So there's left. Okay, let's get into the actual Beyblade itself. Okay. This is really cool. Okay. And this piece actually flips, I think. Okay. 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 Oh. Yep. Yes, yeah. You can flip it to attack. Let me actually get all this out. And search out the parts and everything for you guys. Okay, there's the driver. Okay, there we go. I love this color though. Stickers. Let me get the name on this and look it up on my phone. Okay. Okay. Oh, jeez. I guess. Okay. No, I don't see the parts. Okay. So let's put the stickers on. This should be pretty easy with the stickers, not that much. Not like the newer stuff. Okay. Okay. Here's the. I think this is for a giveaway type of deal. Yeah, this is I think for a giveaway. I'm not sure. Here's the instructions. Yeah. Yeah, it changes. Yeah. Here it changes. That's pretty neat. Okay, let's get this. Okay, RC, let me put the stickers on here. Okay, there we go. Oh god, oh shit. Okay, that was a horrible. That's it. Okay, there we go. Fix that on this side, then I'll do the other side now. So this is what I do off camera, because how much of a pain it is. And how precise I am with these. There we go. What's that beeping? Okay. I'm sorry, that's the Beyblade adult group. Okay, this is. Okay. Okay. Right spin. Left spin. So this outro is done. Oh fuck, okay. This is when I have to be very quiet so I can really concentrate. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. If you guys don't know, I got off at 12 and I just got home at like 1:30 and it's 2:07 right now. This should be up soon. Sorry, there was only one video up earlier. I just been busy. Okay, that's it. No. Okay, there we go. Oh god, okay. Wow, this has a lot of stickers. I didn't know that. Not just on this piece. Let's do the outside. Okay, there we go. Okay, now this is going to be the hardest part right here. Let's get this. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, next one. You guys don't know how long it takes me to do this sometimes. I normally just watch TV while I'm doing this, or listen to the TV while I do this. Here's the thing, HMS. There we go. Okay. There we go. A little closer look at this, and there we go. So let's put this together. This, okay. I'm probably gonna put it out like this, and it's attack mode this way. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's use the actual tool. Okay. Oh wait, oh god, no. It's not done yet. I forgot to, they blended freaking in. Yay. I forgot to. God damn it, okay. I was gonna say, don't tell me I'm, oh shit. Okay. Okay. Kinda crooked on that one, but. I'm going to be getting the stadium to launch it in. The Takara Tomy Stadium. Okay, there we go. Wait, yeah. Just making sure. I'm going to launch it in both modes. Okay, there we go. Here's a closer look at it. Okay, so let me launch it. Okay, here's the stadium. I need to put tape on that. Yeah. The first test spin of this, I'm going to be doing it left to right, a right spin first in each mode. Stationary. Ow. Okay. Okay, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.